Hello class, so today we're going to talk about rates. So a rate is a comparison of two quantities with different units. So here's an example. For example, if you say that someone is driving at 45 kilometers per hour, so this slash here means per, what you're talking about is this person is driving 45 kilometers every hour. Okay, so let's look at some more examples here. It says calculate the unit rate for each unit supposed to be given. Now, the word unit means um, the 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 rate of one. I'll put this in quotation marks. Now, the one could mean any number of things. It could be 1 hour, 1 minute, one shirt, $1, whatever it is. So I think will become more clear as we go through a couple of examples here. Okay, so let's look at the first one here, which says this person drove 560 kilometers driven in 7 hours. So in order to calculate the unit rate, all we have to do is take this number here, 560, and divide it by 7. So you're going to take 560 kilometers divided by 7 hours, okay, and punch that into your calculator. If you do that, you're going to get 80. Now, the way we want to write the answer here is kilometers per hour. Okay, so that's the word. The word per means one. Okay, so here's another example. You bought 5 shirts for $139.50. So what we're interested in is how much does each shirt cost. Okay, so this time you have to take the cost, which is $139.50, and divide it by 5 shirts. Right? So when you do that, you should get the answer about $27.8 per shirt. Okay, and notice how we write it. We write it dollar amount first and then shirts. Okay, so let's take a look at some more examples here. 400 meters run in 45 seconds. So what we do is we take the number 400, okay, and divide it by 45. Now we will punch that into a calculator, and it turns out to be 8.89. But it's 8.89 what? Well, it's 8.89 meters per second. Okay. The next one says you slept for 82 hours in a week. Now, you have to realize that a week is 7 days. So what we're really asking you is to take 82 here and divide it by 7. And you're going to get 11.7 hours per day. Okay, so you slept for 11.7 hours per day. Okay, same thing with the next one, 28 goals scored in 16 games. So we want to find out how much they scored in one game. So we take 28 divided by 16, and you will get 1.75 goals per game. Now, obviously, you can't score 1.75 goals in a game, but remember, this is an average. So we're saying that on average, he scores 1.75 goals per game. Okay, the next one is money. So you paid $600. It's been paid for 55 hours of work. So when we're asking for the unit rate, we're interested in how much does he get paid per hour. Okay, so you take 600 here divided by 55. So remember, this is the dollar amount, this is the hours, and you're going to get $10.91 per hour. Okay. Now, what I would encourage you to do right now is to do the next two yourself, pause the video, and then check the answers for yourself. Okay, so the answer for this one is 1.5 pages per minute. And the answer for this one here is, or at least should be, 25 students per class. Okay, so there we go. I hope you got the right answer for them. Okay, a couple more. So it says Tom earns $525 for 42 hours of work. What is Tom's hourly rate of pay? So again, we do 525 $35 divided by 42 hours of work, and you're gonna get if you type that into your calculator, $12.50 per hour. Now, question B says, how much would he earn if he worked for 35 hours? Well, that's easy, because if you work for 35 hours and he gets paid $12.50 per hour, then all you have to do is just times them, right? Okay. And if you do that, you're gonna get a total of $437. Okay, that's how much you will get paid for 35 hours of work. Okay, example 3 and 4, and we're almost done. Yay! Okay, so which one do you would be the better deal? Okay, so you can buy 24 cans of pop for $26.40, or you can buy 18 cans of pop for $20.88. Okay, so let's calculate the unit price for each one. So the unit price for this one is $26.40 divided by 24 for 24 cans. The unit price here would be $20.88 divided by 18. And if you do the math, you will find that this one is, it costs you $1.10 per can, right? So each can costs $1.10. And if you do the math here, you're going to get $1.16 per can. Okay, and obviously, so what do you think is, which one is the better deal? Well, the better deal is definitely have to be the cheaper one, because that's what we want to pay, right? If we can save money by paying $1.10 per can. Okay, last one. Who's going faster? So James is driving at 900 kilometers in 7.5 hours, and you have Katie here who drives 1,365 kilometers in 13 hours. Okay, let's figure out who's going faster. So for James, we have 900 divided by 7.5, and you're gonna get there will be 120 kilometers per hour. For Katie, she drove 1,365 kilometers in 13 hours. So we take 1,365 divided by 13. If you do that, you're going to get 105 kilometers per hour. Well, who is faster? Well, obviously, the bigger number here is 120, so James is driving faster. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this lesson, and I hope you do well in your practice questions, because they will be on your the quizzes coming up. Thank you. Thank you.